I'm going to show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your WordPress.com site. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a paid WordPress.com plan. This is necessary for connecting a custom domain. Once you've got that, go ahead and log into your WordPress.com account. Now that you're logged in, head to your WordPress dashboard. In the menu, go to Upgrades and then select Domains. From here, click on the option to add a domain and choose Use a Domain I Own. Enter your Namecheap domain name and click Next to move on. Next, it's time to update the DNS settings in your Namecheap account. Log into your Namecheap account, then click on the domain list from the left sidebar. Find the domain you want to connect and click on the Manage button next to it. In the Name Servers section, choose Custom DNS from the dropdown. Now, enter these 3 WordPress name servers. Once you've added them, click the green check mark to save the changes. After updating the DNS settings, head back to your WordPress dashboard. It might take up to 24 to 48 hours for the DNS changes to fully propagate, so be patient. Once it's done, try visiting your domain in a browser. If everything's connected properly, your WordPress.com site should appear. If you want your Namecheap domain to be the main address for your site, go back to Upgrades, Domains in WordPress. Select your newly connected domain and make it the primary domain for your site. Now, a quick heads up. If you have email services linked to your Namecheap domain, you might need to update some additional DNS records in WordPress to ensure your email continues working. You can monitor the status of your domain under the Domains section in your WordPress dashboard, where it should show as active once everything is connected. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can successfully connect your Namecheap domain to your WordPress.com site. Your website is now accessible through your custom domain. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials like this.